Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, there's a lot of people walking around still working after I left. Most people work late on the other trades, so I'll just go ahead and tell you what I did. Bunch of more MC wire all day, and then I did hang a few boxes. One for a light above a door. I didn't get to the other one because people were there, and then a couple three switch boxes. So you'll probably see that. They don't really have any wire in it. One of them had a wire in it. And then worked in the kitchen, running the home runs. So ran the 6 home runs up to the ceiling where they're piped into the panel. So you'll see that here in a second. And then the first clip was some more home runs. Circuit 2, 4, 6, and 8, I believe. So there's, I think, 4 home runs going up to the ceiling in that box. And then yeah, just jump in some lights together, I think. Jump in plugs, got the ceiling gun, so got to shoot a couple shots into the ceiling to hang the Mac 2s to strap the MC wire. And then yeah, that's basically all I did today. So if there's anything left in the video, that's what I did, and hopefully you enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. If you enjoyed it, drop a like and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday. And thanks so much. See you later. Bye.